Hey, and welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you the Detach tool, which can be found by going to Edit Mesh, Detach, or if you hold Shift and the right mouse button and go into Detach Component. This year it is my aim to learn some new Maya tools. It's been a long time since I looked through the documentation, and I hope to find some extra tricks I can use along the way. What this tool allows us to do is separate any selected verts within a selection. This could be an edge, face, or vertex selection, and can be a fast way to cut out separate details into our meshes. Let's just go over these three methods, and to start with, let's do a vertex selection. Like so. Now hold Shift and right mouse button and go to Detach Component. And now just let me pull these parts away to show that these are now detached as we wanted. Right, so the same goes for if we make an edge selection. This time go to Edit Mesh, Detach, just to show you it's the same thing. And it's going to give us the same result. And if I just move these apart, you'll see that we do in fact get the same result. Finally, let's go ahead and make a face selection. And what this is going to do is going to take all the verts on the outside perimeter of our selection and detach them, whilst kind of maintaining the connections between any verts in the middle, for example. And let's just go ahead and make the detach. And we can now move it up to show that it's actually in fact been separated. I think that wraps everything up for this tool, but as you can see, it's a handy tool to know when modeling. Be sure to join the Discord server to chat with a great community of fellow modelers, and check out my Gumroad for access to the members only chat and a whole bunch of assets and tools. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, hit the like and subscribe buttons, come chat with me on the Discord, and I'll see you in the next video.